Agora sim voltou, eu acho. Agora voltou. Voltou. Ah, cachorrada. Ah, trem. Não, o OBS deu um crashou ali e fechou, né? Crashou tudo. Acho que foi o. Deve ter sido o vídeo integrado, bugou ali. Praga ruim. Sei lá. É, vamos lá. Já abri aqui já. Vou encerrar tão cedo assim não. Alan acordado. Oxe, é doido, é? Essas vagabundas. Já volta em combate, né? Do nada, crachando. Desgrama. Tá, vamos lá. Partiu? Tá, eu tava procurando uns trem aqui, né? Ter latino agora. Essência. Ah, meu Deus. É, acho que dá. Cai aí, daí. Voltar o que tá, complica. Nossa, tem que ser bugado. Ah, eu não tô achando nada de negócio aqui novo, não.
really just here to get the keys so I can get the power back on.
Do you want to hold me down? It's okay. I know you like that.
Yeah, I'll just grab the keys.
I could be like your wife, little wifey, waiting at home for hubby. Or you could be the mailman, or the neighbor.
I'm already married to someone who isn't crazy, thanks. I'm just gonna go and get the power back on.
Aww.
Look, I may or may not be back. I have the access code to the booth already, so once the power is on...
You should totally come see me. We could have fun. You know.
We'll see how it goes. You should sit down or something. Try to stay calm.
I don't want to be calm. I want to be nasty. I want to be nasty with you.
Yeah, okay.
You could do anything you want. Use my...
Let's not even go there. I was hoping that you'd remember more, but I guess that was too much to ask.
Está na arma. Está na arma. Interessante.
I was about to do the weather, but I see we have a caller. Hey, you're on here with Eddie. What's up?
Hey, Eddie, it's Ricky. You talked about fate before. Think about that a lot?
Not a lot, to be honest, but I take it you do.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Any conclusions you'd care to share, Ricky?
Well, we've got free will, right? That's in the Bible and everything.
Yeah, right, sure.
So free will, right? Am I right?
Voltou bem na hora.
What we want, could there be fate? I mean, you don't know what's gonna happen next, so there's no fate. There's just people doing stuff.
Well, I don't know, Ricky. I don't suppose you have considered the possibility that we're all here in the service of a greater purpose, incomprehensible to us,
and that what we take to be freedom is nothing more than the move of a pawn on some cosmic chessboard, limited in scope, subject to the whims of unseen players,
existing only for their entertainment.
Or perhaps we're just a twisted
reflection
of actual events that can happen
elsewhere.
Could it be that such is life in...
Food for
Não, vai, agora. Então, o que aconteceu foi que crashou tudo os negócios aqui, do nada. Fechou. BS, tudo. Outro Lurkstra, boa sorte na reunião, pai. Valeu pro Lurk, Larissa. Interessante, né? Passou o DK e pegou a sequência. Depois, dias e tchau. Olha só que cava safado. Defumado chegou. Doações. É, eu só consigo ver as doações no coisa. No chat do OBS aí. É só aproveitando as quedas aí, ó. Isso não vale nada. OBS cracha tudo ali. É isso. Safado, nem pra só deixar cair a live, não. Ele encerra ainda. Além de crachar, ele encerra, né? Se lascar. Ei, Edson, tudo bom? Tá bom já aqui, ó. Muito café, nem tá cansado, né? Muito café. Tá esperto.
Are you getting it yet, genius?
Tá. Até mais equipado, ó. Me sinto tranquilo aqui. E anúncios. American Express, né? Gravy. Ela não anuncia isso. Sei que eu não posso iluminar ele não, senão ele vira pardal e sai voando. Isso aí era pardal e sai voando. É curva, pardal. Pega muito anúncio, pega. É bem spamado. Valeu, Anderson. Boa sorte aí no que for fazer. Boas segundas. Rapture. É Magni. De assalto.
You're like a little hamster in a wheel. Go ahead and keep running for all the good it'll do you.
Ah, pega. Vai, cadê os dois? Falou? Ah, foda. Tem no pé aí, né? Cadê aqui? Tem esses dois aqui faltando, eu acho. Ah, lá na coordenada. Ah, tem aqui pra pegar?
The dark place is utterly hostile to human life. It eats at your mind, wants you to succumb to madness. Your own thoughts can turn against you. Every shadow conceals a threat that attacks at the slightest sign of weakness. You're under endless assault. Every day is a struggle for survival. But I've learned to take care of myself. I focus on Alice, our life together, my need to be with her. That takes me a long way in the dark place. As long as I have my gun and the flashlight.
Flashlight. Flashlight. Lá dentro, né? Raptor. Oh, gosh. Aqui.
For Serena Valdivia, burning the midnight oil was more of an exception than a rule. A procrastinator and a perfectionist, she often worked when she wouldn't be disturbed. Tonight was especially important. The film festival would open tomorrow, and there was still so much to sort out. It wasn't that the work hadn't been done. She just didn't feel like she had completely mastered everything yet.
Não dá. Não dá. Entendi. Ah, caramba, gente. Botar aranha, cara. Tá. Casca. É que ainda, tá vendo? Usar a área infinita aqui. Tô tranquilo contigo, de boa. Suaves. É seguro passar por aí? É muito seguro. Imagina quanto. Os grãos que tem aqui. Já, né? Já acho. Ah. É, tá pegando porque tá pegando ali no negócio. Sem bala daqui a pouco. Só um negocinho. Carga. Missões. Aqui, ó. Que é, não sei. Tá aqui ainda. Será que vai por fora aqui? Ver se tem alguma coisa, né? Não. Acho que não é aqui. Vai ser em outro canto. Então,
If you die, you lose. If you quit, you lose. If you make it to the end of the loop, you still lose. Sucker.
esquivas. E aí, FND, já viu uns Alan Wake aí? É, ali, né? O primeiro continuando. É, legal. Esse aqui é o... É como se fosse uma, tipo uma DLC, né? Só que é, mais, é uma DLC grande que virou um jogo próprio. Esse aqui é mais ação. Eita. Olha gritando. Eles falam que é mais survival horror. Esse mal. Não, é jogar com. Tô jogando controle. Não. É que tem que movimentar a câmera e tudo. Isso fica muito complicado. Não vejo nada aqui. Tá vendo? Pode olhar. Land Classic. Aí já é difícil, né? Scott. Mas a tendência é esse jeito aqui mesmo. Porque tanto pela movimentação de câmera, ao mesmo tempo que você. Questão de mira também. Até porque não mirar assim, né? Tendo um mouse que tem uma precisão bem maior que um controle e deixar de ter uma mira assim. Errei feio. Errei feio. Ou mirar ruim do cão. Os comandos. Só uma coisa só. Não é, né? Então. Aqui no caso a mira é a lanterna, né? Quando estiver iluminando com a lanterna é onde vai o tiro. Assim mesmo. Achar que falta, mas não sei onde é. Testar, voltar todo o caminho pra ver. Mas é verdade. Não é o jeito, né? Porque não tem muito o que fazer. Eu veria que nem tipo o 4, né? O 4 ou você anda ou você mira. Não tem nada, né? Faz sentido. Ah, é a tendência, né? Tem seus benefícios, né? Essa nova jogabilidade. maior fluidez e maior precisão, né? Tudo mais. Ainda vão sair jogos no estilo clássico, né? Mas vai ser. Mas mesmo assim vai ser uma coisa muito rara, né? Acontecer. Os que sair vão justamente sair pra pegar o público da época dos jogos clássicos, né? Tanto que lançaram um monte de jogo aí parecido com o Resident clássico aí. Jogo pra caramba esses tempos aí. Tipo. Tormented Souls e afins aí. Na Steam então uns par deles, né? Eu tô estranho também. É a câmera fixa. Mas pior que não era só os Resident que tinha isso aí. Os Resident, os Alone in the Dark. O Silent Hill era às vezes. Silent Hill era uma câmera mais ou menos fixa na maioria dos tempos. Só ela que ela se movimenta, né? Ela acompanha o personagem. Daí tinha. Era até os. Vários jogos PS2 aí, tipo Clock Tower 3 que eu tava jogando. Mountain Ground. Quanto maluco. Se eu destruir isso aqui, eles somem, tá. Entendi. Deixa eu ver aqui. Se achar um. Vou te manuscrito. Motor efeito. Não, tipo, não é sempre que tô falando. É vez ou outra. Tipo, você entra num corredor e tal. Daí dá uns ângulos fixos. Só que é diferente mesmo assim. Ainda ela movimenta ainda. Um fixo meio dinâmico. Mas, tipo, quando você entra no beco lá, por exemplo, lá no 101, e tal. Coisas assim. E vem anúncio na hora que eu tô explicando. E acho. Qual que é esse aqui? Vou sentar aqui agora. Equilibrium. Essa é Equilibrium aqui. Mano, não sei. Deixa eu ver onde tá isso aqui. Aqui é não. Equilíbrio. Não, não é aqui não, é até. Também. Deixa eu ver onde tá isso aqui. Se tá aqui ou se tá avançando. Ah, cala a boca.
Botei o pé no chão.
Tá. Vamos lá procurar. Tá num tipo uma sacada assim. Eu já passei por lá várias vezes, né? Eu não lembro onde é. Eu passei um monte de vezes lá e fiz graça com o barril. Justamente lá onde tá o lugar. O negócio. Barril do Chaves. Já vem. Esperando a nossa acabar aí. Que não acabou. Pô, aqui não, é aqui não. Lugar parecido com esse assim, né? É lá em cima, talvez. É um lugar mais alto. Na borda de precipício. Aqui, ó. Cansa não, cansa não. Acho que é aqui, ó. Não é aqui não. Aqui, ó. É aqui, ó. Ali, ó. 40. Mas agora.
I have changed. I know who I am now. I know that I can write my own fate. Bright Falls taught me that. I know that indulging my weaknesses, giving in to fear and complacency will only drag me down. The Dark Place taught me that. I'm no Zen master. I've not attained enlightenment. But I have learned to let go of the things that I don't need. I know that without that balance within, I become my own worst enemy. Now I strive for equilibrium, and with that, I'm strong enough to get where I want.
Bravo. Quanto tá dizendo? Quando joga mesmo. Jogar só jogo velho que é bom, né? Olha só. É o remake. Jogo velho. É, o remake é o jogo velho novo? Isso. Jogo velho não. Jogar um jogo de Atari. Bora, partiu? Não, tem que trazer algo mais antigo que Atari ainda.
Reclamar da vida, tá?
Ah, não, Atari não. Eu nunca joguei nada de Atari, você acredita? Acho que o máximo de assim que antigo assim que eu fui era o Entendi, mesmo. Não é por não querer, é mais por falta de oportunidade, né? Eu nem conheço direito, né? É pré-histórico, imagina aqueles lá então que era só um pixel então. Pior que tem uns mais antigos ainda. O que eu senti falta nesse jogo aqui é que não dá pra dirigir carro. Não era tão legal pegar os carros e sair atropelando os staking aqui. Ah, peguei Atari e um Atari. Muitos Ataris. Mano, eu acho que jogar no Atari deve ser tipo você jogar naqueles brick
The
game, né?
champion of light knows that the time itself is about to end. At least for him. He can feel the dead end rushing towards him. But there is time to act. Incomplete or not, he has the weapon.
I don't have the whole thing.
Muito melhor, cara. Que game tem Tetris? Tem Tetris de Atari, não? Tem nada? Ixi, nem Homebrew, não? Homebrew. Homebrew. Agosto. Ih. Não, aqui já não é, deixa eu... Mas amanhã, deixa eu ver, agosto. Mudou o negócio? Light Night, Summer Host Over. Poster Visible. Ah, cadê? Tem mais coisas pra interagir agora? Aqui, ó. Cadê? Eu vi uma interação aqui. Cancelou. If fosse. Ah, aqui, ó. Ah, daqui. Spotlight Limited Fire Extinguisher. Cadê? Fire Extinguisher. Nem sei onde tem um aqui. Ah, aqui, ó. Mas deu certo. Tem pixel.
It's not enough.
Acho que aquilo é. Nem sei se é considerado pixel. É uns negócios, uns quadrados
You're trying to be
estranhos.
cute, aren't you? What are you up to? It's a waste of time, buddy. You should just lie down and die. Let me take over. This is the only thing you've got coming to you. From here to eternity. No matter how many times you come back.
Time folds back on itself. Again, His senses scream as the very impossibility of what is happening assaults them. But the champion of light endures.
Aí, ó, não.
Each time he gets a little closer, each time another detail falls into place. Now the trap works against the Herald of Darkness.
Bastante videogame. Tem que jogar logo, né? Pô. Achei que até ia começar já. Jogar videogames. Jogar videogames. Daí foi jogar repo aí com vocês aí. Jogar esses trem aleatório aí. Achei que já ia começar a usar ela acordado já. Sem falta, mas que eu provavelmente vou estar dormindo. Ah, mas repo tem skin. Não, mas ela acordada tem revólver. Nossa. Nossa, verdade. Revólver. Revólver luz. Comparação completamente diferente, né? Leave the canyon. Oxe. Oh, cadê um lake aqui? Cadê um lake? Também tem? Seguinte, revólver se esse cara aí. Eu te ensino, não vou nada. Ai, não vou não. Não vou ver com essas coisas. E com as crias, não gosto.
What are you, the King Hillbilly?
Pega. Ó, põe na máquina, descarregar a máquina no bicho. Tamanho do maluco. Vai mais skin, jogar o bicho no buraco. Tá vendo um clipe da Usha, né, que ela postou lá, que cai no buraco explodindo, né? Madeira. Opa, olha só.
Thor and Odin Anderson, old gods of Asgard. I still don't quite know what to make of them. I know they used to be rock stars who modeled their stage personas after Norse gods. I know they're old. I know that in their day they fought the darkness as I do. I know they're demented and insane, ravaged by age and self-abuse. But there's something in them, something powerful that took hold when they were touched by the powers beyond. A thing that goes far beyond just stage names. Something godlike.
Esse frio tá complicado. Vai com a armadura de frio. Ah, eu só estou jogando videogames e depois só vou dormir. Esse frio. O cara não vai, não. Caraca. É o Dorms. Pernilongo maldito. Eu tô com medo de Alan Wake. Alofobia. Eu vi um pessoal streamando Fasofobia ontem ali. Já é ontem, ainda tava online e vi, mas. Virou ontem já. Esse videogame, mas não sei jogar esses videogames. Esses videogames. Ah, mas eu queria um carro aqui. Saudades.
Right on cue,
Dirigir carros.
bubbling to the surface from untold depths, the horrors come. The emerging monsters do not expect the warm reception that has already been prepared for them.
Poxa, tá montado tudo ali, é? Tá, né? Esse trator, irmão, tava aí assistindo aqui o Alan acordado aí. Nas madrugadas aí. Ele falou que tava ocupado no máximo lá no DVD, pô. Fala pra ele sair dessas vidas aí, pô. Você é irmão, aí você tem que dar conselho. DVD não é vida, não. Ele é o Madrugas. Vocês é a voz noturna. Os más companhia. Ih, rapaz. Tem que ensinar ele a jogar videogames. Aqui. O Alan acordado. As más companhias.
Stop. Saving Emma.
É triste, é triste. A gente. Vai tentar ensinar os irmãos assim a. Sobre videogames, mas. Yes, umas companhias. Peraí. Poxa, é a granada assim. Maluco aqui. Peraí.
So, one morning I was running. It was in the fall. It was about sun was just coming up. And there's this huge estate right on the Long Island Sound called the Ziegler Estate, and it's monstrous, and it has these old iron gates that have these. They're spiked, very very sharp. But it's acres and acres of land. And so I'm running, and I'm listening to Tosca, listening to opera. And there's a moment in Tosca where Tosca's about to stab Scarpia. Okay, and it's very, very dramatic. And it's like, there's this huge duet. And so I'm running, and you can see the breath coming, you can see my breath coming, the sun is coming up, and there's this incredible scene happening. And all of a sudden in the distance, I look, I see something that's on the fence. And as I'm running up, I realize it's a deer. And the deer has tried to jump over this fence, like 8 feet high. Tried to jump over the fence. It landed on top of the fence. It caught it in its chest, and it slid all the way down. So it opened the deer from the chest to all the way down its stomach, and it was still alive. It was flailing, absolutely flailing. I remember just this music, and the thing was running, and I couldn't believe what I was seeing. Absolutely couldn't believe what I was seeing. And I couldn't get at the deer. It was on the other side. So it's like the idea of okay, well, you should help the deer, try to put out his meat. I couldn't get near it, and it was huge. It was gigantic. And so and there was gigantic horns. I mean, it was a visual I will never, ever, ever forget. And I just remember as I was running, and just these flock of crows that were in the trees just flying. It was the most cinematic, frightening thing I've ever seen. I just stood there. I stood there until it died, and then started running home.
Well, não sei isso, cara. Ela anuncia propagandas.
Getting the Andersons into the recording studio was a struggle and a half. But once they actually picked up the instruments, something happened. They were two old men, and they weren't. They were doddering bags of bone, and they were barely contained power. And there was music. Barry rubbed his hands together. He knew how to pick a winner. Now all they needed was some direction on how to make things a little more modern. Barry had never produced a thing in his life, but he knew what he liked. He knew Balance Slays the Demon was going to be a hit.
Vem de volta. Não retornas. Muito aleatório. Ai, ai.
Clear now.
Clear now.
Well, art lovers, are you feeling neglected? You shouldn't. You know Eddie Rodman's got love for you, which is why I actually hauled myself out of bed before noon, just so I could record an interview for your pleasure. Enjoy. Now, as I'm sure you all know, the annual Night Springs Visual Arts Show is coming around again, and that's a big deal for all of us that are in the culture business. If you can call it a business, that's a little controversial, I know.
Oh, that's okay. Money makes the world go around, no doubt about it.
And that's one of my guests here at the studio, Serena Valdivia. She's a curator at the Night Springs Gallery of Visual Arts, and she's in charge of the NSVA Film Festival, held this year at the old Night Springs Drive-In Theater.
Hello, Eddie. It's great to be here. And let me just say that it's a wonderful venue.
Absolutely. And with her is one of the filmmakers, somebody who's actually primarily known as a renowned photographer, Alice Wake.
Hello.
Alice, I've seen a lot of your work over the years. It's very impressive. My wife's a big fan, actually.
Oh, thank you.
You've gained quite a bit of fame as a photographer, but that's not why you're here, right? You actually have a film. That's a little surprising.
For me, too. I really wouldn't be here at all if it weren't for Serena.
You two are friends, I take it?
Yeah, we move in the same circles. So, about a year ago, I heard about all this footage she'd shot, and I got to see some of it, and then I started pestering her about actually putting it out there, because it was really good. I didn't really want to show it. It felt too personal.
Well, yes, I can understand that. It features your husband, and he's, well...
He's dead.
I thought he was...
Enquanto isso, ele só pisar nas. Lá.
This sounds awful, but yes, I believe he's dead. Otherwise, he would have... Well, you know.
Yeah, I understand. Well, hold that thought, and we'll be right back.
Ah, aqui tô. Aqui é um morto aqui, ó. Acho que é só ela pegando. Ah, não, tem uma ali atrás. Aqui, ó. Aqui, ó. Cortei a Tramontina. Faltam 3 aqui. Não, faltam 1, 2, acho que é 3 mesmo.
Emma wasn't sure
Well,
exactly
so-
when the man arrived at the motel, but from what she could tell, the party started almost immediately. It was infectious, spreading from one room to another. He was mercurial, almost as if he was flickering through the scene, telling a joke here, throwing an insult there, oozing sex and violence and excitement. She had never seen someone like this before. He looked at her and smiled, and she felt her heart flutter a little. She knew he was the kind of man mothers warn their daughters about, but she told herself it didn't matter.
So I've been thinking about Barry. I don't know what to do about him yet. I mean, I'm not gonna keep him around, that's for sure. Al? Al? Ugh, little parasite. Your best friend. Really? That's the best you can do? I actually kinda like the guy. He's a plucky little butterball. He plays the clown. That's a hard road to take. But I don't need him sticking his fat face in my business. Did you know he's been hanging out with the sheriff from that shitty little town? They keep in touch. Barry's about the only guy who insists that you're not dead. How about that? I might keep him alive for a while. Just to see him go to pieces when I fire his ass. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Return to Yamba. Achar um lugar pra curar aqui. Achei um manuscrito aqui. Giant.
I have seen the darkness twist flesh into new shapes before, but encountering these giants is an extremely disturbing experience. It's as if the genre has been switched on me. There's something out of Pulp Fiction. Twice as tall as normal men and stronger than forklifts, their lumbering gait and slow-witted demeanor brings to mind some kind of mean-spirited caricature of a feeble-minded hillbilly.
Oh, gay. Mano, eles revezam o turno. O de vida. Eu ia falar assim, ô Stray. Você que já comprou dois subs já pagou 2 subs pra outras pessoas. E tem que aguentar anúncio. Arrancar anúncio. É infinita vez. Só avançar um tanto aí. Boa cerca. Boa cerca. Eu preciso ver. Tem a luz aqui que eu vou recuperar. Ai, ai. E PHP. Miserável.
Yeah, thanks for saving me again. I'd hate to die before I'm scheduled to be murdered.
I guess I have you to thank for setting everything up at the oil derrick.
Yeah, well, I figured that if we were going to go over this again, we might as well try to be smart about it, huh?
I appreciate it. You took a big chance doing that. You okay?
What do you think? I've died twice. I remember everything pretty clearly now. You said I was gonna be okay.
I don't know what happened.
Well, it's not your fault. I think one of those, what did you call them? The takers? I think they did something to the power and they got me that way.
I'm sorry.
But I got the keys from the dead guy in that room. And I'm not handing them over until you do something about this. I'm sick of getting killed.
Fair enough. You seem calmer now.
I tried freaking out. It didn't do much good for me. I guess you get used to the craziest stuff.
Good for you.
Plus, I figured I'd take the edge off, you know?
Mm-hmm. Those herbal supplements are pretty good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I wanted to try to explain things to you now since you're calmer, but maybe this isn't the best time after all.
Oh, shit, yeah. Better not get all metaphysical on me now. Seriously, I'm like 2 sentences away from thinking how we could all be like atoms on God's skin or something.
Or figments of somebody's imagination?
Wow. I'm just gonna try to chill out and not think about that or getting murdered or anything, if you're cool with that.
Gotcha.
Eu sei. Pronto. Tá, e agora? O pau da vida. Use box. Valor de sub aumenta, é? A quanto? Pode ser também o coisa, né? Sei lá, diferente celular e PC. 12,90. E no celular é um preço e no site é outro. Às vezes. Eita, pegou a arma errada. Sabia? Né? Por causa do celular pelo Play Store, né? Cobrar por cima. Segue alvo. Errei. Tem que ser ligeiro ali pra não ser cercado. Achar aqui um manuscrito perdido aqui. Errado. Ah, de novo com essa droga. Aí atirou. Eu soltou o flare aquela hora, né? Soltou um flashbang. Achar uma luz aqui, não tem nada. Cheio de coisa. Hum. Preciso carregar. Sem coisa. Deixa eu ver.
Ninguém.
É pra me curar essa coisa aqui.
Okay. I really don't think they can get to the power now.
Thank you. That's a relief. Here's the keys that you needed.
Thank you.
Hey, I have to tell you, at the diner, I went there with him. The guy who looks like you, okay? I know I said that I didn't.
Yeah, I figured. Want to talk about what happened at the diner?
There was this guy from the observatory, and he just attacked the poor dude, smashed his face into the tabletop a bunch of times. It was horrible. I didn't know that he was gonna do that. I swear. And I just ran. I just left him there. I didn't even try to help.
There was nothing you could have done. It's not your fault.
Well, he's dead in that motel room now, so excuse me if I feel pretty shitty about it anyway.
You shouldn't blame yourself.
I just didn't want to get involved. I have this tendency to just drop everything and run. I don't think I'm a bad person, but I didn't even call the cops. I'm such a coward.
If you'd called the cops, we'd have dead cops. He's not human. Do you understand? It's not your fault.
But I could have tried to stop him.
Believe me, if you had, you'd be dead. You seem to be doing a little better now.
Yeah, I guess it just got easier once I got this thing off my chest. I just feel so guilty about it, especially because I didn't pick up on any of the warning signs. I just really liked hanging out with him, you know? He was smart and charming and funny and hot. The way you could be, I guess.
I guess.
What's the deal with this guy anyway? He looks like you, he uses your name. Why does he do this stuff?
I'm not sure myself. Maybe he's just evil or my dark half. He does a lot of the stuff I'm trying really hard to get away from. Things that just messed up my life.
I guess all those murders don't help either.
Yeah, I could do without the murders and the end of the world. Listen, I need to get going.
Yeah, go. I think I'm good now. I hope.
Good luck. If it all goes well, maybe this is the last time we meet like this.
God, wouldn't that be great?
Just keep those lights on, okay?
Sim, curar. Bom dia, Kelson, tudo bom? Bem e tal. Acho que tá o... Coisa que eu vi. Coisa que eu... Aqui dentro. Faltam dois aqui. Não achar não. Quero ver onde tá esses... Falta. Ah, vai aparecer anúncio aí. Amos Love. Very only God. Tá, aqui, ó. Não dorme não, é? Quando eu não estou acordado. XD. Aqui, até um aqui, ó.
With all the herbs, crystals, and the rest of her New Age paraphernalia, Emma Sloan had been called a hippie and a freak and worse. It was that small-town mentality. She was a female mechanic, and even in 2011, there were always going to be backward shit-kickers who thought that was a hoot. She didn't mind. She could deal. She could take any engine apart, even the new ones with all the computers in them. Turned out that these boys were awful polite while waiting for her to put them back together.
Seria bom, sim. Olha lá, tá cheio outro.
The Anderson brothers should probably have been in a facility somewhere, despite their tendency to escape from such places. It could be argued that they had no business being on tour, considering their condition. Their lives mostly revolved around the laundry list of ailments and their endless quest for liquor. But Barry Wheeler managed them now. And whatever else they might say about Barry, he knew how to make things happen. And honestly, it wasn't like the Andersons were the most difficult clients he ever had.
Opa aí, Amata, tudo bem? Bom dia. Tudo saltitante, né? Saltitante. Aí sim, tranquilo aqui. Aí, RPD. Essa eu mandei esse da espada. Aí vai. Qualquer coisa. Aí sim, tranquilo. Tô tranquilo aqui, bom dia. E contigo de boa? Tá de boa? Uma visão infinita. Linda, ixi. Acho que até nem tá tão grande assim, pô. Só 17 horas. Ah, exagero. Já fiz 22 já. Isso aqui. Estão muito dramático. 48. Pô, média.
The fate of countless individuals hangs in the balance, threatened by the machinations of the Herald of Darkness. And yet, for a moment, the Champion of Light breathes a little easier. He has saved one life. For this moment, it is enough. And soon, perhaps, he can put an end to this. Returning to the observatory for what he hopes is the final time, the man feels anticipation and dread in equal measure. Soon, he knows, he will have what he needs.
Ah, fica usando carro só em cutscene, meu. Queria dirigir. Queria dirigir. É tão legal, não.
Hello, I was expecting you. I've already taken care of the imaging array, but you should still look into securing the primary coolant flow. With some luck, you may be able to light the area before these things even show up.
É injusto. Larissa sempre onipresente. Domingão mágico. PD é um mago, não tem jeito. Isso que dá zerar todos, jogar todos, zerar todos os Resident Evil. Os. Os. Os Devil May Cry, assim. Peraí. Vem não, seus pragas. Vem. Não que eu tenho. Minha Magnum. Esperei, já tiro. Só escutando os lados dos ouvidos. Véi, não é cachorrada. Faltam 3 só aqui.
The film noir poster reminded me of Alex Casey, the detective's cool exterior never cracking even with the gun pointed in his face. In the back room, all the lights had been turned off, except for the lone spotlight which illuminated the bright red fire extinguisher on the wall.
Michelle na wall. Weasel. Ah não, seus Marley.
Very good. I believe we're ready to look into the sky.
Right there, Doctor.
Entende esse barulhinho, né? Só de eu chegar lá vai apagar. Tá. É muito resistente que eu gosto dessas paradas. Ó. Gigante.
This act of creation is exhilarating and frightening. Subtext and symbols loom eager to take effect. Causality and consequence become domino chains that stretch into infinity. The more fundamental the change, the more unpredictable the variables become. Reality is too complex to control completely. Ordinary questions become meaningless. Who created who? What is really real? Everything is as real as everything else. You learn to let go of the things you can't control and go with the flow, or go insane.
Isso. Aí, ó. Uhum. Tô vendo aqui.
The man before Dr. Meadows was handsome and slick. He moved with lazy confidence
Handsome.
and didn't bother to pretend that he wasn't staring at her. She didn't mind, at first. Then the man flicked open the knife and shoved her out of the control room so she wouldn't hear the signal, whatever it was. Outside, she pulled her lab coat closed and thought about running. She didn't. She didn't think she'd get very far. Not from him. She never was entirely sure why he spared her.
Vendo só, né? Sabe? Oi, Felipe, tudo bom? Bons dias. Deixa tranquilo aqui. De boa. É os dói. Arma boa isso aqui. Estourando tudo. Ali embaixo, velho. Não tem nada. Já era, não tem mais cama não. Ele descachou. Rapaz, acho que é o que falta agora. Deixa eu ver o que está aqui dentro. Mas...
Come on in.
You need to protect the telescope or we can't complete the signal.
Louco. Ô, louco. Rock and roll.
These things would stop blatantly violating the laws of physics in my observatory. That's just rude. Are you all right?
I'll live.
I'm glad. I'll send the lift down to you. I remember our previous encounters very clearly now. But technically, if this really is a loop in time, we've never met before. I don't know why our awareness persists, but it's bloody fascinating.
Falta um aqui, eu não sei onde tá. Não tá aqui dentro. Olhei lá fora, nada. Não dá pra sair.
This is what you look like. Does that bother you? I bet it does. I'm not just wearing your face, you know. It goes a lot deeper than that. There's a lot of you and me. All the best parts. At first, I was just an idea. But they kept telling all those stories about you. You already had that rep. And then you disappeared mysteriously. And then, the stories about bad, crazy Alan Wake came true. And here I am. That's the best part, isn't it? When that happens, you can always count on Cauldron Lake. I'm just as real as you are. And I'm the improved version. No fears, no doubt, no weaknesses, no self-deception here. I don't let anything drag me down. I know you like I know myself. I know it bothers you that I'm like this, that I use your name, crawl my way into your life. But I only do it because I'm better at being you than you ever were.
É que eu esqueci de usar esse aqui ainda. Que apelão contra eles. Sem munição, né? Não, acho que não é aqui não, acho que foi lá fora agora. Acho que não tem como pegar mais. Falta uma só. Um manuscrito só. Um manuscrito. Olhei todo lá no mundo.
Doctor?
You know, I know physicists who would give 15 years of their lives for a chance to experience something like this.
I'd imagine that being stalked by horrible axe murderers would curb their enthusiasm a little.
Clearly, you've never met hardcore physicists.
I'm glad you're in such good spirits, but
The signal! Yes, it's completed.
finally. If all goes well, this should be the last time we go through the loop.
You know, I just realized that I don't have any memory of what happens after you leave. What does that mean?
I don't think it means anything. If everything goes well, you just keep going. I don't show up here like this again, no more bad guys. Things go back to normal.
Let's hope you're right. I'd love the opportunity to look into this in more detail.
Looks like you've accepted the situation.
I'm a pragmatist. If this is a delusion, at least my first psychotic episode is anything but boring. Really, Mr. Wake, at the end of the day, I'm a scientist. I love mysteries. I love not knowing. Whatever else this might be, it's absolutely fascinating. I wonder how far this reaches. Is everybody in the world experiencing this?
Who knows? I think reality's probably pretty fragile right now. Doctor, I can see you're very enthusiastic about this. I'd appreciate a bit of discretion.
Are you suggesting that we should suppress this?
No, you can do what you like, but I want you to leave me out of it.
But surely, with the things you know, the things you've experienced, you can replicate any of these results. We could—
Let me be blunt. If you drag me into this, I'll deny everything. I'll lie like my life depended on it. And writers are damn good liars. Word of advice. This is things man was not meant to know territory. You get into this, chances are you'll open up a door into a world of hurt. Believe me, I know.
I see.
Maneira normal de se conversar. Ai, ai. É, vai ficar pra trás o negócio. Achei não. Não tem como voltar. Espero que depois tenha a seleção de capítulo.
In a strange way, he feels at ease. He is armed with his own words, and when the time comes, they will be enough, or they will not. For now, he's content to let the currents take him toward the final confrontation. Once more, we return to the drive-in. If he's aware of the absurdity of arming oneself with a few sentences and standing against a power that can pierce time itself, he doesn't show it. The man has his share of weaknesses, perhaps more, but cowardice is not among them.
Equilibra-se. Derrubar a escada. É isso aí. Arqueiro. Derrubando tudo que eu vou colocar, velho. Baguncinha.
Oh, you got yourself a little plan, do you?
É, já. Tá, né? Larga. Ah, não tem? Olha aqui, cadê? Onde é que é outro? Eu achei a entrada, né? Querendo achar isso aí. Sei lá, vou voltar ali. Dá uma olhada pra ver se eu acho. Eu não posso. É aqui o lugar certo ou não? Não, não é. Deixa eu procurar o portão então. Esse aqui, ó. Tá bloqueado já. Desde o começo. Porra, Dark. É isso aí. É, querendo deixar de ficar rosão também. Beleza. Achei nada aqui não. Deixa eu ver. Falta 4 aqui ainda. Ah, que porcaria. Não. Oi, vai, Rosão. Rosão. Eu tô voltando lá pra dentro. Esse negócio vem depois, ó, era aberto aqui. Tá pro caminho ali. Fica passando por esse choque. Deixa isso daí. Ah. Cara, eu vou entrar como então? Vá. Sair daqui, imagina. Então, quanto? É, porque eu não tô conseguindo sair. Não tô entendendo por quê. O portão abriu lá, não é? É essa daí. É o portão, eu tô confundindo aqui. Tem mais um aqui que eu não sei onde é. Aqui? Não é, mesmo canto. De acho. Pra cá? É pra cá.
You're never getting out of this, Wake. Never! Don't worry. I'll take care of your wife and your life.
Quando é fire isso aqui? Here, faz isso aqui, era o mais roubado de todos. Ali achei um.
Think you're doing, but I'll send you right back to the beginning.
Lá em cima. Ela tem outra aqui, ó. Na infinita. Relaxa, relaxa. Vou tentar ir até terminar aqui.
When the dark man's eyes suddenly locked into Serena's, she flushed hot. They ignited a black fire in her. He was talking. He wanted the power turned off. He said something about the projector booth. She hooked a finger under his belt buckle. He grabbed a hold of her throat and twisted until it hurt. Somewhere deep inside, a part of her screamed in paralyzed horror, but the moan that escaped from her throat had no panic in it. Pay attention, he said. Business first. His eyes glittered shamelessly. Hers did too.
Pra cá. Esqueci agora. Cá, né? Vai aqui.
What? You think whatever it is you're gonna do is gonna make a difference? This'll end up just like before!
Sai da live. Sai não. Mas cadê a coisa aqui? Vou me buscar.
I've been around for a while now. You've been
Daqui.
stuck in the darkness.
Vai daqui, já.
I've been busy. I operate in the shadows. Not always literally, you understand? I'm a little more resilient than those I've taken. But but I do my best work in the dark.
Strike sun, rest. I'm on the rest. Cycle, cycle, cycle. Yeah.
There's more to fighting the Taken than just burning away the darkness that protects them. When I'm fighting for my life, I find myself slipping into a state of intense concentration that makes the beam of my flashlight seem more powerful and focused. I used to think it was just my imagination, something brought on by the adrenaline and fear of death, but now I'm not so sure. I've been touched by powers that I can't begin to truly comprehend, and they've left a mark. I'm starting to think this might be a part of it. I held the film canister in my hands. I saw her name written across it in big letters, followed by the title. It was a time capsule, moments snatched from times gone by, from a past that I hoped could also be our future. It was my salvation, our chance to be together. A tin can with a bit of magic in it that she didn't even know about, something I could put to good use. There were only moments left before I had to face him.
Nice. Oh, ok, aqui já é outro. É, rotação, então. Lá do outro café. Oxi. Peguei todas, né? Mas tá faltando uma. Ok, então. Naruto Conquista.
The clothes I wear now I shaped from dreams and memories. It's an old outfit, originally from the 90s. The last time I wore it was when I was still writing and Alice and I took a vacation in the desert before our troubles began. The night before, we'd been at a party, and I had dressed to the nines. On that lazy day, I put on these old clothes, worn and comfortable. Alice made a joke about grunge. I felt a little embarrassed, but I stuck with them. We were very happy. I'm sheathed in good memories to remind myself of what is at stake.
Aqui, ó. Reality.
I'd found her film from the pile of containers in the back. I'd threaded it into the projector. I swallowed hard, staring at the screen, hearing her voice. The sunrise I remembered so well, only moments away. And then Mr. was there, nailed by the projector's beam, caught in his own trap. He shouted at me, first in confusion, then rage. And then the sun came up and things started to burn.
Sei lá, de onde veio esse, mas ok. Partiu objetivos, então. Vagabundo. Ah, achei que eu tô tentando usar o sinalizador e não tinha. Agora eu vou voltar aqui de novo. Ai, cara. Tá? Ah, meu Deus do céu. Vai. Ah. Ah. Um 4 agora? É, pensa, né? Vamos lá, cura. Cura, salva aí. Abastecer. Não fez falta.
Oh, hey.
I'm hoping I can put an end to this now.
You'd better. I really don't want that to happen to me again. It's like somebody vomited in my brain, like a sleazy movie that keeps looping in my head.
I'll stop this, I swear.
You know the part that's really screwed up? If you mess it up, it'll just keep happening forever, right? I don't think I can deal with that.
Don't think about that.
I don't think of anything but.
Hey, afterwards, when all this is done, look me up. This thing, I can probably help you deal with it.
I don't know. It's almost like I'm not even in the same world anymore. Everything's just weird now.
Yeah, I know. A lot of that'll pass with time. But being touched by the darkness, it's rough on you. It's a lot to process. And I just don't want you to get completely screwed up by this.
Might be a little late for that, to be honest.
Yeah, well, There's degrees. At least you're not at a point where you go around picking fights with people over not changing their light bulbs often enough.
What?
Never mind. All I'm saying is, you're not alone with this. And anyway, you're friends with Alice, so, you know, any friend of hers.
Thank you.
Hello, folks, and welcome to the third part of our pre-recorded interview with Serena Valdivia and renowned photographer Alice Wake. So, tell me about the film.
It's called Sunrise, and it really wasn't something I ever thought of as an actual film. It was just footage, things I saw and happened to shoot. It's not a medium I'm very much at home with. You shouldn't put yourself down. You've got a great eye. Maybe, but experience is another thing.
Because you're primarily a still photographer.
Yes, exactly. So I'm really used to thinking of the world in terms of snapshots. I frame something and try to pick the right moment, and then reveal that moment to people. Moving images are a different story. I'm still learning a lot about it, to be honest.
So, this is a new thing for you?
Or maybe I'm just a slow learner. But showing it like this is definitely a new step for me. It's a little weird taking something this intimate and showing it to everybody. Not that the material itself is somehow shocking. It's just that those were private moments.
But that's why it works, because it feels genuine. It's not so much a story as it is a sort of an echo, showing us how you saw your husband at the time. It's not really about the sunrise itself or Alan watching it. It's about you two together.
I suppose. It's funny, looking at it now, especially now that it's been edited like that. It takes on a life of its own, almost. It's a kind of a fantasy.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that.
No, you're right. I'm glad you talked me into it.
Yes. Não vai usar o ventilador. Sabe? Nossa, pegasse um carro, era só ir daqui até lá. Exceto se o nome da munição só muda de acordo com a arma que você tá, né? O sprite não muda nada. Aí você vê a caixinha de bala, do nada é munição de besta. Não era mais separadinho, mas também tinha menos arma, bem menos, né? Era shotgun, rifle e revólver.
Again, the champion of light enters the final trap. The new reality is almost here. All he needs to do is change the details of the scene, push it past the breaking point, and the rest will snap into place.
Certo. Pronto, pode. E... Ah, mas o filme dela. Ô, louco. Não. Olha. Charlie. Charlie.
Oh, come on, buddy. Why don't you... What? What is this? No! No! You can't do this! All I did was take the things you always wanted and never had the balls to go for. It's my turn now. It's my life. It's my
Alan? Is it really you?
It's really me.
How? I love you.
I love you.
A woman, a man, two lovers, held apart for far too long, enveloped in the light of a glorious dawn. They both feel it. He's home at last. Are these actual events, or merely a dream? A memory, or a glimpse of what is to come? One thing is certain. This scene takes place in another time and another place, far, far away from Night Springs.
É o Zeras, não tem jeito. Porque foram 9 horas e 20 minutos? Hein?
You know it feels nice watching the sun come up, and I've realized I can never return.
Agora depois na próxima pegar as conquistas. É o platina. Mas tu dorme, Gui? Vejo de dia, te vejo de madrugada, te vejo. Ficada. Larissa brigando por causa de comprou um ranking semanal, sei lá. A gente se fosse o ranking geral, tá? Ficar aqui.
No? Ow?
Vamos ver quem vai ficar sem bateria. Alan acordado. Pesadelo americano. Pesadelo americano de Alan acordado. É bem diferente do que eu imaginei que seria esse jogo. Seria que ele. Eu achei que ele seria bem mais raso. Mas não. Impressionou. Ô, louco, peguei metade das conquistas. Essa deve ser do modo arcade, né? Arcade. 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 Ah, tá. Deu outra 2000 tickets. É acumulativo. Colectivos. Né, tem que jogar o arcade. Na próxima eu vou jogar o arcade. Né? Weapons. Install. Reward. Essa máquina aqui é... Mais acordado ou mais dormido? Então, esse aqui ele tá mais acordado, porque ele corre mais. Esse aqui ele corre mais, tá mais ligeiro, então acho que ele tá mais acordado ainda. Mais 3 minutos, fecha lá. Vou pegar o top 4. Calma, tô vendo aqui. Tô lendo informações sobre armas de videogames. Eitrizic. Xanada. Imagina se estivesse competindo o ranking geral, então. Flashbang. Está no curso. Mas você vai ficar no curso umas 20 horas? De live aí? Quase. Mentira. Nem tanto também. Não. Esse tempo todo tô dormindo direito. Tô fazendo as lives curtas. Mais curtas. Aí vai embora. Não vai embora. Leaderboard. Yelp, Yelp. Aqui não tem estatística nesse jogo. Como que isso tá? Eu queria saber quantos. Não tem, meu. No padrão tem. No normalzão. No caso. Larissa aí tem. Cismada aí com o top 4, hein? Se você tá. Cuidado aí. Perigoso, hein? É perigoso. Deixa eu ver aqui as extensões aqui. Deixa eu ver como que anda aqui os. A disputa acirrada aí. Ah, o Gills ele usa a imagem de perfil do carinha lá do No More Heroes. Né? No More Heroes, esqueci o nome, né? Deixa eu ver no mês aqui, ó. No mês a Larissa tá em nona. É. Global. Posição número 78. Global, né? Desde quando comecei. Juntando todas as lives aí. Tem gente que até que nem me segue aqui ainda no rank. É isso aí, galera. Valeu aí todo mundo. Próximo a gente continua com a quest do Dagrão. E depois aula acordada aí. Tamo junto. Deixa eu ver quem tá online aqui. Mandar lá no Adu. Dá lá a raid. Não. Tem como não. Daqui a pouco é meio-dia já. Já estendi mais do que devia. Em questão de horas, né? De períodos, né? Períodos do dia ainda. É desgrama desse YouTube, fica deslogando toda hora. Vagabundo. Desloga, velho. Vai ver lá, não tá logado. Quando eu tava ouvindo as músicas lá, daí ia passando a playlist, daí pulsava o vídeo, daí chegava, não tava nem mais logado, né? Perdia, daí ficava tudo bagunçado assim, né? Top 4. Haverão mais dias para farmar os rankings. É só você ter fé aí que os bons ventos virão soprar para o seu lado. Nu. Frozen sendo menino verde lá, senão mandar a raid pra ele, mas vai ser menino verde? Menino verde não dá pra receber raid. Você tá vendo? Frozen. Pam, pam. Tá isso então, valeu galeras. Tamo junto aí, obrigado pelas presenças aí. Estranho aí, valeu todo mundo. Obrigado aí. Esse trem e valeu. De novo. Nossa. Obra 10 minutos. Chegou longe. Essa live foi do 18 horas e meia. Pam, param. Nada. Pam, param. Ser bot? Nada, é só um Lurkas. Deixa. Abra um Lurkas e E vão dormir. Deixa o PC ligado aí. O Tsu tá on também? Eu ia mandar na Nadu lá. Nadu. Avisar o Hudson Zara. Eu posso mandar no Hudson, então. O Hudson tá comendo aí, né? É, foi só aumentar agora. Mas aí... É que ele tinha acabado de abrir. Enfim. Vai bora lá, então. Vocês querem ir no Hudson Zara ou no Adu? Vai. Vocês que votam aí. O Sonzado tá jogando o Mickey de tiro e o... o Mickey de tiro. E o Adu tá jogando o jogo de achar fantasma e coisa aí. Assombração. Fasmofobia. Seu top 2, né? Mina competitiva. É... FPS de Mickey ou fantasmas? Vocês que escolhem aí. É caça assombração. Ele é fumado. O Edson tá lá no Edson. Tá lá comentando. Bora lá então. Edson usada. Deixa eu passar o último anúncio aí pra ser o capitalismo aí. Ah. Isso aí, valeu todo mundo aí pela presença. Até a próxima, tamo junto. E se estreia aí, valeu. Obrigado. Bizarro, pra você ver, tá desde 2023 aí. O Farmas de Level. É isso. Fui! Eu vou fechar e mandar lá pro Edson lá.